If ever you wonder if you touch my soul, yes you do. Since I met you, I'm not the same. Oh.
Trying to steal your heart, never really had luck, could never figure out how to love, how to love. See how to love the moments that didn't last forever. Now you're in stone, trying to put together how to love.
Well, I thought I knew you, thinking that you were true. Guess I couldn't trust, cause your bluff, time is up, cause I've had enough. You were there by my side, always down for the ride, but your ride just screamed.
Gusto na marami exposure.
But I'm screaming, fighting, teasing, misery, and still here, and I'm cursing your name. I'm so in love that I acted insane, and that's the way I love you. I'm breaking down.
Kahit ano, game.
See, had a lot of crooks trying to steal your heart. Never really had luck, could never figure out how to love. How to love. See, had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now I'm in the score, trying to put it together. How to love. How to love.
Kulit. Bilis! Bilis
Ano
na.
ba kakantahin ko?
Bilis, sabi mo para kay Lizelle, gano'n. Diba?
Para puso ko na ate Ami. Siya kay Demi Lovato.
O game na, Demi
Kay
Lovato.
Christina Aguilera.
O sige na, para sa kanila. Okay, 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Hindi ko alam.
Bilis!
Kay Eminem. Tsaka kay Logan Lerman. Hindi ko alam.
Bilis! Ano?
Artie. Been holding back for quite some time, and finally the moment's right. Yeah, I love to make the...
Sige na, ano, go Ate Agnes.
Wala.
Jason. Isang kanta naman dyan. Dali na, lahat sila kumanta. Bis.
Ano?
Isang kanta lang. Uy, game. Isang kanta lang. 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Ano kakantahin ko?
Kahit ano.
Ha?
Kahit ano.
Sabi niya, tis meron daw daw.
Sige. Ay, pangat naman nun.
Nakakaiya.
Ay, taray. Bilis pagsasave to, no?
I-save yan?
Oo.
Lagay mo sa YouTube.
Oo, lalagay ko nga sisikat ka, kala mo ba?
I-share mo sa Facebook.
Oo.
Tapos
Edit ko to.
ilalagay mo sa may ano, sa may university.
Oo na, basta. Okay. Oh, isang kanta mo dyan, tol. Para matuloy na yung jogging natin bukas. Dali.
Ano ba kantahin ko? Ang dami kong alam na kantahin.
Ay, tara, isa lang. Isa lang.
Remix ko?
Game, 1, 2, 3, here we go.
Ano ba?
Game na kasi, mahaba na to masyado. Oh, bilis na.
1%.
Oh, sige na.
1%, 1%.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano? Kailangan isip pa ako.
Ay, taray. Artista. Game. Dali para pumunta na tayo sa bahay niyo at makatulog na tayo.
1, 2, 3, go! Ipagpatawad mo kung wala na akong bango.
Whatever.
Hindi masisi, bango'y halos di tumaga para sa'yo.
Tol, appear. Yun. Okay. Si Neriza naman. Sige, pagbigyan na natin si Neriza at saka si Jonalie. At your service, ako ang inyong
DJ
DJ.
Hindi na pagpili, hindi na paawat, hindi na panuloko. Tama na.
Tama na, itigil na ang kalokohang ito.